Ever wondered how to lose those stubborn love handles without even stepping foot in a gym? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're revealing a simple trick that's been making waves in the fitness world lately. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Love handles, those pesky fat deposits around the waist and hips, can be quite a nuisance. They're not just a cosmetic concern, they can also negatively impact health. Now, onto the trick. It's something anyone can do, at any time and in any place. It's about increasing your awareness of your eating habits. Sounds simple, right? But it's a game changer. Start by tracking what you eat. Write it down, use an app, take photos, whatever works best for you. The goal is to become more conscious of what you're putting into your body. Secondly, turn your attention to your diet. Prioritize protein intake and embrace healthy fats. Consuming more fiber is also a must. These small adjustments to your diet can lead to big changes over time. Walking daily can also be beneficial. Even though it's not technically a gym activity, it's a form of exercise that can help in the battle against love handles. Lastly, don't forget about strength training. It doesn't necessarily mean lifting weights. Body weight exercises can be just as effective. Now here's where you come in. We want to hear about your experiences. Have you tried this trick? How has it worked for you? Share your stories, because together, we can all achieve our fitness goals. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small changes that add up over time. So why not give this trick a go? It might just be the game changer you've been looking for.